Hello everyone, my name is Diana Bernal. I am a university professor at UNAD in the law program and I am also studying visual arts at the same university. I am very happy to share with you today a movie called Eat, Pray, Love. It is about the story of a writer from the New York, Liz, who, after a divorce, decides to take a year-long journey to Italy, India, and Bali in Indonesia. During her journey, Liz experienced many situations that help her see life from new perspectives and improve her relationship with herself. One important sense is when Liz says to friend and editor, "Feel something from me? I feel nothing." There is an emphasis which know her pain and emphasis after the divorce. Another sense is when she leaves Rome and her new friends. She says, "I am happy to leave my new friends who know how to take care to each other." In India, Liz struggles to find peace. One of her friends tells her, "Do not speak, do not seek forgiveness from others. Forgive yourself so that love can enter you." Finally, in Bali, Liz learns the meaning of Italian word "tutti", which means all. On her birthday, she asks for money to build a house for the divorced woman in Bali, saying, "When you help tutti, you help everyone." Welcome back, movie loves. Today we watched Eat, Pray, Love. This movie is inspiring and emotional. It shows a woman journey to help grow and find balance in her life. I recommend this movie to everyone because it teaches us about self-love, forgiveness, and helping others. Stay tuned for more movies recommendations.